Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. Today we are going to discuss basic Excel functions VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is used to look for a specific value by searching vertically top to down across a table. HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. It is used to look or search for a specific value by searching horizontally across a table. Let's try it out in Excel. This table contains employee data. It has columns employee name, employee ID, salary and department name. Let's find the department of following employees for using VLOOKUP function. For that, select the cell, then type VLOOKUP, select VLOOKUP function. The first parameter that it is asking is lookup value. Lookup value is a text or a number which we are searching for. It should be located at the first column of the database. Here we are searching for employee name, which is the reference column is Anuya. Click that one or select that one, then comma. Then second parameter is table array. Table array is a table range from where we want to retrieve our data. Here it's the entire table. Select that one. Then comma. Then column index number. Column index number is the column number from which we want to retrieve the data. Here it's department name which located in fourth column. So type 4, then comma. Then the next parameter is lookup, range lookup. It has two values. One is true approximate match and second one is false exact match. Technically it's optional, and Excel takes true approximate match as default value. Let's try the false exact match first. Close parenthesis, press enter, then copy the formula to the rest of the cell. Here you can see Anuya, Martin and Williams are not present in the employee database table, and department name for Peter is Cell, Pixie is in IT, and Raphael and Smith is in finance department. Okay, let's try the approximate match now. Equal, then VLOOKUP function, then select cell, then table array, then column index 4, then approximate match true, then close the parenthesis, enter. Here you can see there is no approximate match for Anuya, and Martin is the approximate match for Mart, and Williams is the approximate match for Will. For that reason, VLOOKUP function returns department for Martin as IT and Williams department as admin. Now let's convert the vertical table to a horizontal table. For that, copy the table, Ctrl C, then select a cell, then right click, then you'll get then go to paste spatial, click, then transpose, then okay. Transpose converts the vertical table to a horizontal table. Now convert this column to a horizontal list. Ctrl C, then right click, paste spatial, transpose, okay. Let's find the department name for these employees using HLOOKUP function. Type equal, then HLOOKUP, then select the cell, then entire table, then the row index number. Here the index is 4, department name is located at 4th row, then range lookup. Here I am going to select the exact match, that is false, then close the parenthesis, enter, then copy this formula to the rest of the cells. That's all for today. Thank you.